Now, when I was learning this content, I just saw these problems and I thought, why are they doing this to me? They're really testing what I know and what I don't know about linear equations. So here they give us 2 points. They say 1, 4, and -2, -4 are on the same line. So that means they're collinear. So I can write an equation of that line. I can find the slope between 2 points. What is it that they want me to do? Well, they want us to do 3 different things. They want us to first find the slope. Then they want us to write the equation in point-slope form using 1 point, 1, 4. Then write another equation in point-slope form using the other point, -2, -4. Then they want us to take those equations and convert both to y equals mx plus b. So let's take this nice and slow. Let's first do the first part. The slope between those 2 points. Remember, I like to write them vertically so that my brain doesn't pull the wrong values. So the slope is going to be, I can choose 4 minus -4, or I can choose -4 minus 4. So the one on the bottom is the one I decided to start with first this time, which means when I go to the x's, I need to start with the x value, -2 minus 1. So that's -8 over -3, which is 8/3. So the slope is 8/3. Now write the equation in point-slope form using 1, 4. So point-slope form using 1, 4. So y minus 4, y minus the y value, is equal to 8/3 the slope times x minus the x value. And it says stop right there. Just write the equation in that form. Then write the equation in that form using -2, -4. So we would have y minus -4, so y plus 4, equals 8/3 times x minus -2, which would be x plus 2. So I'm going to highlight for you what we just did. We first used 1, 4, and we got that equation. Then we used -2, -4, and we got this equation. Now we're going to take the equations and convert both of them to y equals mx plus b. So we've got y minus 4 equals 8/3 times x minus 1. I'm going to multiply each term by 3. So I'm going to clear the fraction. 3y minus 12 equals 8 times x minus 1. The 3's cancel out. We have 8 times the quantity x minus 1. We're just temporarily getting rid of that fraction. I'm going to distribute the 8, and eventually I'll bring that fraction back when I divide by 3. 8x, when I add 12, I get plus 4. Divide by 3, and we get y equals 8/3 x. Well, that's our slope. So we know we're doing okay so far, plus 4/3. Okay, let's see what we have over here. We're going to multiply each term by 3. So I'm going to have y plus 4 equals 8/3 times x plus 2. I'm going to multiply each term by 3. And that's 3y plus 12 equals 8 times x plus 2. 3y plus 12 equals 8x plus 16. 3y equals 8x plus 4. Divide by 3, and we get y equals 8/3 x plus 4/3. We get the same exact equation. So Our equations will be different for the same function when we're talking about point slope form, but when we put our equation into slope intercept form, we will always get the same.